In this round, two contestants will be given a topic on which they have to fire punchlines that are so mean that it should make their mom question how they raised them. For example, if the topic is people who don't wear masks, a joke could be like, it's funny how people who don't wear masks are actually people who would look better if they wore them, because that way half their face would be hidden. So let's meet our trolls. First up, we have a comedian who describes his brand of comedy as refreshing. Frankly, it's refreshing to hear the word refreshing being used for something else other than cold drinks. Please welcome Nathan Gold! Hello. Up next, we have a comedian who said that the best compliment she's ever received is somebody telling her, "You inspired me to start stand-up comedy." From personal experience, let me tell you that this is a compliment only after a good show. Please welcome Zainab Abid! All right, are you guys excited? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to troll this? Well, your topic is the Indian education system.
All right, hi. I think the only time we Indians actually talk about the education system is that when we joke about it. The Indian education system, that's it. Two jokes in one. The first, the education. The second, the system. I think the Indian education system in that the teachers in school keep coming up and telling you, put your head down, put your head down. Dude, even after school till today, I keep my head down, but in shame. I've put my head down so much till today in life. When I play football, I can't even take headers.
You know you studied in the Indian education system. If the amount of money your parents paid as fees is the same amount you are now paying in therapy just to recover from the trauma.
Did you guys know that the education in the Indian education system is secretly John Cena? However, the system is like the Undertaker, a dead man. Studying in an Indian education system is like going to watch a Bollywood film. You go with expectations, but you come out with saying, "Kya tha wo?"
The biggest lie said to an Indian student is this. इस एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ ले बेटा, उसके बाद तो चिल ही करना है.
Did you guys know there are 5 levels of an Indian education system? Primary school, secondary school, junior college, senior college, and 5. इसका क्या करूँ अभी? By the way, इसका क्या करूँ अभी is a perfect description of a BCom degree. Not only that, but also a BA, BMM, BMS, BSc IT, engineering, psychology. You get the drift.
Engineering, medicine, and teaching are respectable professions. Everything else is extracurricular. My parents think stand-up comedy is my hobby.
The only good thing about the Indian education system, honestly, is that it allows you to think for yourself. I think I have to go abroad to study.
In primary school, boys are allowed to go from wearing shorts to wearing long pants. But I feel like later in life, they never actually make that mental transition.
Your involvement before taking part in an Indian education system is like soul food. But after, it's just food, because that's what they want to do. Take your soul.
The hierarchy of authority at an Indian institute goes like this. Teachers, principal, security guard.
You know, they made us study such irrelevant things in school. Konkan map, Pythagoras' theorem. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. तो मैं क्या करूँ नाचू? तो मैं क्या करूँ नाचू, by the way, is the exact same response by any authorities when we approach them with a proper question.
You can cover as many books as you want in brown paper, but can you really hide the flaws in the Indian education system?
These were my jokes on the Indian education system. That's right. I had to learn these by heart as well.
My trust issues in men come from my PT sirs. Because they made it evidently clear that some men really will hit on everything that moves.
All right, time up. Fantastic. You guys were so good. Well done. Well done. That was both super funny and super valid. Now, who said did you enjoy more? Did you like Nathan more or did you like Zainab? Whoever it is, make sure you go vote for them on comedycentral.in/SRCP or they will find you and troll you.